how to create outlined text in Adobe Photoshop. I've just got some really simple layers, a couple of background layers and a text layer. So make sure you're in your layer panel, and we're going to double click on the text layer. So double click on that text layer and up pops the Layer Styles dialog box. What we need to do is add a stroke. So click on stroke, and I'm going to change the color of the stroke. So make sure you both tick it and click on the section. Once you clicked on the section, I'm going to change the color to a nice bright yellow color. And I'm going to click the position on the inside, so the text kind of still looks the same. I'm going to increase the size of the outline up to about 40. And now from here, we need to get rid of this white inside section. To do this, we need to go to the blending options. So click on blending options. And rather than going to the opacity and decreasing that, we need to go to the one below to fill opacity and change that all the way down. And then if you click OK, you've now got your graphic with the inside missing and the stroke or the outline included for your text. So that's how to create outline text in Adobe Photoshop. Hope you got something out of this tutorial. Consider subscribing, hit like, and I will look forward to seeing you in another one of my videos. Thanks for watching.